Today we'll explain how to submit your assignment or project in Google Classroom. After you open the class, you go to the assignment by clicking on it. After that, you click on Add or Create. And click on File. When this window opens, you can browse the file or drag and drop. You can select the files and then drag them to here. After the file's uploaded, you go and press on Turn In or Hand In. Click on Turn In from here. If you see the button Unsubmitted, that means your assignment are submitted. And you have to make the final step. Click on Add Private Comment. And write your name or the names of your group. And you are done. Good luck, guys.